Hello guys. Today we'll be playing Bee Swarm modded test realm. Now, the game will only be open for one more day, so I suggest you guys try to make it in here and try to play the test realm as best as you can. Because after today, because today is the 6th, December the 6th, it's gonna be gone. So yeah, it's gonna be private again. But yeah, this is my first time playing on the modded Bee Swarm test realm, and the stuff really works great, except for a couple of things. I personally like this. Uh, but yeah, I'm gonna reset my data. Or actually, better yet, no. I don't know what to talk about or what should I do. As you can see, you got the buttons. We have the gift stuff, and also the bees work perfectly. See, everything works. Got every event bee. You can also get max drives, but Robo Bear does not work, nor does on it work. And you can respawn your you can respawn your mobs. I think it works. I don't actually know. What in the heck? What in the Jilly? I mean, Billy Jean. He Billy Jean is my armor. Got the Absolute Red Hive. Mm, Mostly I'm just chilling, to be honest. I think Coconut Crab is here? Yes, you could fight the giant murderous crab if you like. Also, the Star Stall works too. And the Coconut Crab is dead. Now, I'm going to do a boost in the Pepper Patch, I think. Now, as you can see, the quests do work. Now, like I said before, the this test realm is only going to be open for only about say about 100. I mean, no, 2 days, 2 days, 2 days. The boosting works, everything works, and best of all, I have everything here, including the cogs, the coconuts, the loaded dice. I guess I just throw it in there, and you got your supreme saturators. And you can place them infinitely. I guess we're gonna be boosting a bit. And there's one more thing that does not work as the ant challenge. Actually, unfortunately, that's the only thing that does not work at this current time. Yeah, I believe Dapper Bear's thing still works. I don't know. Actually, I never even looked to see if Dapper Bear's quest even works. But yeah, I'm gonna try not to repeat myself so much. But just to remind anybody, you can join the game now. I will be giving the name. Actually, I already gave the name. But you guys probably can't hear me because of my absolute crappy voice. It's probably really crappy. I'm making over 100 million per second. I love boosting. Ooh, and the marshmallow bees. So now, hold 2 billion. Making 2 billion per second, baby. I wouldn't advise anybody if you guys see this video. I would advise you guys turn your volume down because I do not know how loud it would be. I'm not trying to break my viewers' headphones. So I pretty much like this version of the test room. It was nice to know I got to experience the little taste of power of the act. Well, this is not the real test room, as you can obviously see. This is just an off-brand test room that I got access to by Discord. I did not know I can give myself a gift. I guess I'm just boosting backed up to 1 quadrillion. I guess. Mm. Oh, that's right. Need to get the magic beans. Actually, let me go see if I can actually do quests and complete them. I guess I just got my proof. Ooh, ooh. Yep, that's legitimate proof. There is the legitimate proof. Oh, I forgot about moon charms. Oh, that reminds me. I do need to get. I wonder if the moon amulet works. Also, by the way, BTIY, the amulets do work, I think. Let me see. The Supreme Star amulet works. Scorching Star, Gummy Star. Nah, see? They work. Stick Bug amulet, Supreme Star, Cog amulet. Oh, apparently there was more capacity. I did not know that. On the Cog amulet. Strawberry, 100% red tech. Yeah, I guess so. And then there's the stump snail amulet, Spiderfield, stump clover, pumpkin, dandelion, cactus, stump spider. Yes, yeah, the amulet's work and all. It's pretty decent if you ask me for an off-brand test realm game, I guess. I think you can also kill the king bully. I think. Let me actually go look to see if I can actually kill the king bully. As Vitamin would say, it stung me in the balls. I love Vitamin. He's a cool guy. Like that man. Like shit. Huh. Yes. Oh, that's right. I can go talk to Black Bear. Connect 500 Polan. Yep, full proof. Now, from other bears, I don't really think so. But I will go check Science Bear, maybe. Let's see. I don't think every bear actually works. Let me see. Science Bear, Science, yada yada yada. Yep, Science Bear does work. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So it's confirmed Science Bear works. Now just gotta go see if Polar Bear works. And Mama Bear works. And Brown Bear. Okay. Oh, and wait, is Riley be here? Ah, yes. Okay, yeah. Then I have to go do a two more, and I think Stickbug is here. Oh no, Stickbug ain't here. My bad. Right, I forgot. I should play that. Oh, let's see. Polar Bear. Yes, Polar Bear works. I think. Nope. No, Polar Bear. His quest line does not work. Oh, never mind. It does. My bad. It just didn't load. I think. Alright. Let's see. So you do. Buzz, 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 buzz. Okay. Jolly gift does work. Nice. Huh. Buzz, 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 buzz. Uh, nope. I think his thing is just completely broken. Yeah. Nope. I think it's just Riley B is just busted. Yeah. I think he's just extremely busted. Okay. So that is not good. I do wonder, can I get the super speed? Currently unfinished. Okay, so that means I cannot get the super speed. Riley B is the same thing for Riley. I mean, Bucklebee is the same thing for Bucklebee. Let's see. Guards. Bush track. Polar bear. Nope. Okay, so Bucklebee and Riley gifted. Riley B and gifted Bucklebee is apparently broken. Okay, so that confirmed my theory. So Bucklebee and gifted Riley B are just completely broken, utterly. Was Brown Bear broken? That's the thing. Is I think Brown Bear might be broken. Is he? Okay, now so Brown Bear's quest does work. Okay, I can say with full clarity. I think every Bear's quest worked except for the two gifted bees. And then I forgot about Stick. I don't think his actually works, does it? Just give them. Nope. Nope. Yeah, so Stickbug is also broken. Wonderful. Truly wonderful. Yeah, so I guess only the gifted Riley Bee and gifted Bucklebee and Stickbug is broken. Oh, also, you can go to the gummy lair is actually accessible, and um Yeah, Spirit Bear works too, and also One Shrine actually works too. That's a side. Yeah, that's a double side. That's good. See, One Shrine works. You can donate anything. Oh, I'm at it. I'm gonna donate. Nah, I'm not. I am kind of copying off a YouTuber. Nah, I'm just doing his. I'm just doing his idea. So please do not copyright strike me if you see this Mister or whatever your name is. I'm donating 200 gifted mythic eggs. Nah, I take that back. I'm donating 1 million mythic gifted bees. Actually, no, half a million. It's fine, I guess. And I made myself a 1 quadrillion honey. That's right. My bad. What are these supposed to be boosting? Just completing the quest. That's right. I need to run the science bear. Really don't like science bear. I freaking. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I love science bear. I don't really like his quest line though. This mythic meteor shower work. Yeah, there's a lot of games. Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff that just does not work. Oh, he took the quest. Oh yeah. I went through. Yeah, so I guess that's it. This is my hive. Now the only reason why I have event bees down there is because well, I need the abilities, and this was just a for reference. The rest of these precise and spicy bees were just to have the extra damage. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And remember, this game is only going to be open for one more day. So if you see this video, hurry up and go play before he closes it. The developer of the game. I mean, the guy who. Why do I suck at making videos? I suck. I suck. Anyways, just try to play the game before the game closes. By the way, guys, I'm sorry about the Stiller Brainlight update. I fell asleep and I forgot to get up. My bad. I'm severely sorry, but next Taco Tuesday I will be recording, and I'm very severely sorry about it. I am severely sorry. I am really, really, truly sorry about this. I sincerely mean it. And to make it up to you guys, I will be posting 2 videos. Now I know that might not be much, but I don't really, I really don't have any good ideas. So if I post a random video, that's just to make up for the Still a Brain Rot video. Once again, guys, I'm extremely sorry, and I hope you guys enjoyed me yapping about stuff. I will leave the game name for you. So thank you, thank you. I'm so sorry for that. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Thank you, Nick Army. Love you guys. The Discord work on my Discord is almost done. I just have to do a little bit more work on it, and then yeah, I'll be done with it. So yeah, stay tuned, Nick Army. Love y'all. Peace out.